either touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And I have got the gorgeous tool girl Jade here in the workshop again with me today. You've come a long way to come back into the workshop, haven't you, sir? Good on her. You know, dedication's what I like to see. Now, this is a very short video, really, to celebrate the fact that this morning, whilst I was driving back from Taupo, we hit 30,000 subscribers. Unreal, isn't it?
Yeah,
very, very impressed. And never in my wildest dreams did I expect that this Andy Mechanic YouTube channel would ever achieve such a good following, you know? What are we now, about 2.5 years in to me uploading the very first video? It's staggering, it really is. I just really can't, words escape me as to the number of comments and, what is it, 36 million minutes watched of videos so far, 4 million views. Wow. Seriously, wow, you know, dead chuffed. So really, it's a thanks to everybody out there. I think we really have to thank them, don't we?
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks to everybody for your support and really getting the channel to where it is now, because it's not about me. It's not really about Jade, to be honest. It's about you, the viewers. You know, without you, and all the comments and all the likes and all the shares and the stuff that you do for the channel, there wouldn't really be a channel. It would just sit there in the corner of YouTube and gather dust. And it hasn't done that. It's taken off. And in the last 10 months, we've got 20,000 subscribers have come in. I have no idea what the next the next 10 months, the next year is gonna hold. It might be 5,000 subscribers. It might be 1. It might be 100,000. But I can guarantee to you guys and ladies, we'll just keep doing what we're doing. We're not going anywhere, are we?
No.
Great job. Right, I think it's time. It's not Saturday, it's Sunday, by the way. I think it's time, Jade, for some cider. Don't you?
Sounds great.
Now, unfortunately, Benjamin, and you all know Benjamin, has drunk the last of my bottles of cider. So we're on the dregs of Scrumpy. Not a sponsor, by the way, but yeah, we're on the Scrumpy today. So, cheers, Jade.
Cheers.
Good job. Thank you very much for helping to get the channel to where it is now, as well as all the viewers. Because
you're very welcome.
Yeah, it's great fun having you on board. I very much look forward to Tool Girl Jade coming in the workshop, and today is going to be an awesome day, as always. Cheers, crew. Ben knows his cider. Good stuff. Cheers, Ben. He'll go mental when he gets on tonight.
Thank you, mentioned my name.
Yeah, that's the one. He drunk my cider, the last bit of Scrumpy. You've drunk it, Dad. Well, you drunk mine, son. It's first come, first serve, isn't it? Okay, crew. Well, that was it. Just a short video to say thank you from me, Jade, and all the other tool girls for doing what you do to keep this channel popular, marketed, spread the word, spread, what's the word? I don't know. You know, you populate the internet with Andy Mechanic. It's all over the place. So, cheers. See you next time. Where's my kiss? Damn you, I shaved and everything, look.
Damn, I'm sorry.
God, I'm not happy. See you, crew. Alright, if you must. Are you ready? Okay. Jeez.
A little bit.
Oh, that's okay. I can cope with that. No need to wipe it off. See you guys. And you get the flip again.
Oh!
Yes.